Hi there, welcome! In this video, we'll give you a quick overview, a flyby of the IMI Hyselect software. This is the first video of the Hyselect tutorial program. My name is Jeffrey Werks and I am Hydronic College Training Manager. First, we look at all the basic parts of the Hyselect screen. On top, we have the menu ribbon. On the right, our output screen, and on the left, we have the control panel or input screen. Take a look at all the different options on the menu ribbon. We can set our desired units and pipes series, the section for technical parameters, and some other options and info. After clicking Project, the top ribbon changes and gives us the options for project calculation. Notice that the control panel has now changed as well. The third option is the Tools option. Here we can find some very useful hydronic calculators like viscosity correction, pipe pressure drop, kV values calculation, and many more. We will look at these in more detail in one of the upcoming videos. The last tab is then the Communication tab. This is a section we will use to communicate with DPS Visio or DPS sensor like TA scope, or when we need to update the software. When clicking Select in the control panel, the top ribbon changes to a selection field for basic product selection. Notice that Hyselect has now automatically created an extra menu, Tech Parameters. Here we have the option to simply select a single product or to select in batch via the wizard or direct. We can change the application and the fluid parameters as they will possibly impact the selection. And after selecting, we will find our articles in the results section, and we can find all technical data sheets in the info section, as you will see here. I will open up a data sheet just to show what the output is. Here the example of a safety valve. Voila. Now, completely on the top of the screen, you see the New or Open Project option, the Save and Print buttons, and when you click on the left side on the Hyselect logo, we get the same options as well, together with the Pneumatex wizard and the Export and Import data options. As already mentioned, much more about these features later. So now you have a first idea of what the software looks like. Let's look at all the details on how to install and set up the software to your needs in the next chapter. Thanks for listening and see you soon.